All right, hey guys, welcome back to Michelle the Maker, and I'm really excited about this one today because I really do believe it can help others, which is what essentially I want to do, help people out in the world. So I was originally going to make something else, but then Joann's popped into my feed and there was a call for people who sew or crafters who can actually make masks. And I do not know how breathable Ankara is, but I am going to use this Ankara just for reference to see if I can actually make the mask well. I did call my local Joann store and they did say they're going to be passing out kits on Monday to those who can sew and make these masks because there is a shortage because of what's going on in the world currently. So I'm going to make this one and see how breathable it is and if this can be another alternative. If not, I definitely am going to go to Joann's on Monday, but right now I'm just using the materials I have at home without purchasing something else. And I pray that this helps someone in need or someone who just wants to learn how to sew and wants to be of assistance in this time. Definitely take a look at this tutorial and share it, and hopefully somebody else can sew, because I know I just can't sew 500,000 masks by myself. So yeah, here we go. I found this mask pattern on freesewing.org. It is called the Face Mask. And first things first, you're going to cut 2 of your main fabric, which is going to be my Ankara, and then I have like a more breathable cotton type material that's going to be my lining. I'm going to cut that, and yeah, you're going to see me cut that now. That is what I'm going to do. And I'm still using this material because it must go. Didn't iron it once again. It's all good. First thing you are going to do is turn the right sides facing together, and then here's my right side. This is the right side. Right sides facing together. It's so difficult sometimes to tell Ankara which one is the right side. I don't know. Goodness. Okay, this is it. Okay, right sides facing together, you're going to sew from here to here. And I just realized this pattern doesn't have seam allowance, so hopefully it is not too small. Oh, I also didn't say what this tutorial needs. You're going to need your material, of course, and I have some elastic laying around the house, and this is what I'm going to use for this tutorial. I believe it is about 6.5 inches on each side. Yes, 6.5 for both sides, depending on your head shape, length, Kenny. So yeah. Same thing for this side. Hello? This is a new angle for me. Get into it with this little machine. But yeah, I am standing, so this is weird. Anyways, I just want you to see what I'm doing so it can be made several times. one more time. Now you should have these two pieces, and when you flip it, it'll be like this. Is this way? Honestly, I don't know. Okay. Okay, I went around and pinned everything except the bottom half that's going to be left open so I can flip this inside out. Now I'm going to sew this and show you what I got. I have flipped it inside out, and I'm going to do the final touches and close the bottom part that was here. And this is like so this is the final moment, and if I wasn't filming, this would literally take like 10 minutes. Super easy. And if you are interested or you do so, you should definitely hit up Joann's or your local store, fabric store, and see if they need masks, because Joann's is taking them. I'm gonna go on Monday and actually get the kit now that I know I can sew these pretty easy. Yeah, I would show myself, but no. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you can make it and be of service to those who are in need at this moment. Yeah, like and subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next video. I decided to show myself so you can see what the mask looks like. I refuse to change out of my pajamas, but that's besides the point. It's pretty breathable. I can breathe. It does fog up glasses, but most masks do. And I made my elastic a little too short, but in the video I said 6.5 or 7 inches that I cut. I actually cut 8. Clearly my head is bigger, so cut 8.5, 9, just to be sure. Or just cut 8.5. Yeah. Okay, bye.